Hi, it's Tim O'Brien, Firecom, and welcome to FDIC 2014. I'd like to show you some of the things that are going on with Firecom and celebrate the firefighter and our industry. We're celebrating our 30th year as a company and celebrating the firefighter and honoring to serve the industry based upon innovation, feedback from the customer, and ultimately a solution to help you do your job better. You can count on Firecom to continue this tradition and this culture in years to come. I'd like to introduce Dan Byron of WAPCO Distribution. Dan has a wealth of experience working with Firecom. And Dan, what are some of the things that you can see or maybe some insight in working with Firecom?
Well, some of the things that, with about a 7-year history with Firecom, I like the company's integrity, the product line, the wireless headsets, the technology they bring to the industry, the ease of installing the product, and a fire truck makes it head and shoulders above the competition that I've worked with out there.
Hello, my name is Jimmy Gutierrez. I'm with Firecom. With me here is Dan Byron, one of our distributors and partners in the Plain States region out of Texas. And what we want to introduce today real quick is our new portable comm hub solution. The fire market has been requesting for something to be able to use in multiple applications, to be able to get into the either hard to reach or the more challenging environments where you require more mobility. That said, we'd like to introduce this portable solution here. The comm hub provides a wireless base station inside that includes a dedicated channel, a secured frequency for the team members to stay in contact with each other in a hands-free mode. At the same time, interfacing to radio, so that way you still maintain radio capability when you're away from the vehicle. Hands-free when you're talking amongst your crew, PTT when you're transmitting over radio.
That's we've seen applications for the portable unit out in the field when maybe a battalion commander is the first on the scene. He can carry the portable and pass it around to the firefighters that show up that maybe need the communication the most. They're not physically attached to the apparatus, so with the portable unit, you can assign the resources as they're needed. So,
the idea is to be able to use a solution in multiple applications versus the one or singular or limited applications.
The best thing about the wireless headsets it gives you more flexibility to move around. You're not tied into a short area near the truck. The range on those wireless headsets are outstanding. Exceptional clarity in the headset. Nothing but positive experiences with your product.
Hi, I'm Simon Broadley with Firecom Engineering. We have our digital intercom here at the show today, along with our remote head. The digital intercom, we have all the capabilities of our intercom and interfacing to your two-way radio right from the single box. We can do a complete system in a fire apparatus, as well as an interface with basically any radio that you choose. We can do anywhere from one radio all the way up to 4 radios, as well as additional auxiliary inputs. Right from the faceplate, we have our volume controls as well as our squelch levels. So there's nothing you have to do to pull it out or do any other adjustments. It's all right here. We also have our remote head. It can be mounted anywhere around your apparatus. You can put it inside as well as outside in high water areas. We have our waterproof remote head. It has all the same functionality right from the faceplate, so wherever you're at, you have all the capabilities. The other key thing that we've seen in the last year with our digital intercom is a lot of departments are really happy with the simulcast mode of the digital intercom, where you can connect multiple radios and transmit at the same time over all radios. So it's great for intercity type interoperability, where you might want to be able to communicate with other departments at the same time, as well as be able to hear everything that's going on.
Hi, I'm Phil Kramer. I'm the Plain States Regional Manager for Firecom. I'm here at the FDIC show. It's been a fabulous show. I know most people who are Firecom users are aware of our digital intercom system. One thing I'd like to point out is we've had a number of requests for situational awareness headsets. Here we have our slotted dome headset, wireless headset, that will not only allow you to communicate with your team environment through the intercom, key the mic for two-way radio conversation, but it will also allow you to hear and conversate with people standing next to you that are not part of the system.
Hi, I'm Roman Petkavicius. I'm the new Western Region Sales Manager for Firecom. I'm really excited to be with the company. It's a well-established, well-branded company, especially in this environment in Firecom. This is where we got our start, but the changes are what's so exciting for me. Right now we're moving from a time when we have a huge installed base, and we've been a very solid, very dependable company for our first responders, and now we're in a position where we can take and expand the use of and enhance the use of the communication systems with our first responders, going from the wireless or wired headsets to a wireless system, allowing the engineer and the officer up front to get out of the trucks not worried about being wired to their trucks and be able to go out to the pump panel, whatever the case may be, while still in communication with their teams. That's just one example of the things that we're doing and the opportunities we have ahead of us. So I'm looking forward to working with our customers and with the company and just moving things forward in the Western United States.
You've met some of the fine people at Firecom, seen some of our innovative products. We measure our success by you, the firefighter. For more information on Firecom, please visit us at firecom.com.